Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to remove timing in Canva. If your slides or elements are set to play automatically, we will guide you through the quick steps to turn that off and take full control of your design. Let's get started. On your Canva slideshow dashboard, go to your page, click on your page, and a bar will appear at the top. This is where you can find the timing settings. You can edit the timing here. Set it to 0.1 seconds to remove the timing from your slideshow. Then apply this change to all 10 pages. This will remove the timing from all your slides. When we preview it, the slides will no longer change automatically. They will only move to the next page when we take an action, like clicking left or right. The slides will wait for our input. And that is how we remove timing in Canva. Simple and easy. We have successfully removed the timing from our Canva project. Now our design will play exactly the way we want it to.